Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna to show you how to fix blank white desktop shortcut icons in Windows 10. So guys, to resolve and to fix this issue, click on Start, type percentage sign, type percentage sign, app data, percentage sign. Now open this app data folder, click on View and check this box, Hidden Items. So select this box. Now in here click on your username. So you will see users and here your profile name. So click on your profile name. Now click on app data. So here you will see local folder. In case you are not able to see this local folder, so check this box, hidden items, then refresh. So you will see local folder, open it. Now scroll down and you will see icon cache.db. So right click on it, then click on delete. Now close it and right click on taskbar, then open task manager. Now navigate file explorer. So you will see Windows Explorer. Right click on it, then click on restart. Now close it. So hopefully guys, using these simple steps we can fix blank white desktop shortcut icons in Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.